Have you ever wanted to create your own file explorer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a simple yet powerful file explorer using C# and WinForms. Let's dive in. First, open Visual Studio and create a new WinForms project. Drag and drop a TreeView on the left side and a ListView on the right. Set the dock property for both controls to make them fill the form properly. Then we make some further adjustments just for the look and feel. In general, these two controls are everything that you need. Cool or? Next, let's populate the TreeView with the drives on your system. Add this code in the form load event. I will explain it step by step after the code is ready. When the app starts, this method loads all available drives like C or D into the TreeView. Directory get logical drives retrieves all system drives. Each drive is represented as a tree node with its name, for example C. The tag stores the drive path for later reference. A dummy loading node is added to each drive so it can be expanded dynamically. This is the constructor for our form. It's executed when the form is created. Let's code first and then I will explain what it does. Initialize component sets up all the components we've designed in the WinForms designer. TreeView 1 before expand adds an event handler that triggers before a folder is expanded in the TreeView. TreeView 1 after select adds an event handler for when a folder is selected. ListView 1 mouse double click attaches another event handler, this time for double clicking a file in the list. This method ensures folders expand dynamically in the TreeView. We'll explain after code is set. First, we get the node being expanded. Nodes clear removes the dummy loading. Node to prepare for real subfolders. Using directory get directories, we retrieve all subdirectories. For each subfolder, we create a new tree node with its name and path. A placeholder loading. Node is added to each subfolder to signal it can be expanded further. Finally, the new nodes are added to the tree view. When a folder is clicked in the tree view, this method runs. First, we get the selected folder's path from the tag property. The ListView oneItemsClear method clears any previously loaded files. Using directory get files, we retrieve all files in the folder. For each file, we create a new ListView item with the file name. The file's full path is stored in the tag for later use. We also add a subitem to display the file's size in bytes. Finally, each file is added to the list view. This method fires when a user double-clicks a file in the list view. First, it checks if any file is selected with ListView 1 selected items count greater than 0. If so, it retrieves the file's full path stored in the tag property. Then, we use System Diagnostics process start to open the file with its default program. If there's an error, like trying to open a file without proper permissions, A message box shows the error details to the user. Lastly, we add a line at this place that the list view have a better format for the files. And there you have it, a fully functioning file explorer in C# with WinForms. We've covered loading drives, expanding folders dynamically, displaying files, and even opening them with a double click. It's clean, responsive, and ready for you to enhance further. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.